How to view archived messages on Gmail. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Gmail and say, for example, that I have some archived mails like this one right here. I will just swipe to the left on the mail, or I will click and hold on it and click on the archive button at the top. And now I want to find them. All what I need to do is simply click on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen and then click on all mails. And here you will find all of your mails, including the archived one. As you can see, the archived one won't have that inbox icon at the bottom right corner, while the unarchived one will have, just like this one right here, it will have the inbox icon at the bottom right corner of the mail, while the archived one won't have that icon. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find and see the archived mails on email. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.